Alright, we're going to check the key here quick to make sure it's not the key. And there's a body control module up in there. I'm sure that this key is talking to, because our key wires here, we've got our ignition. We've got the black wire here is actually ground, and that would be battery positive on this switch. So what it's actually doing is pulling these signals down to give it the run signal, or give it the start signal. So if you can see, the switch is off right now. We're at 11 volts across it. Turn it on. This is the starter we're going after now. It wouldn't start. Let's try it again. Nothing wrong with the switch. It's not the switch. Looks like we definitely got a bad connection somewhere. They get it to do it again. This is battery positive at the body control module. Definitely got a bad connection. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up these terminals here. Well, this wire here is going back to the 150 amp fuse or circuit breaker that's going into the cab. And we need to get rid of some of those voltage drops. I'm gonna try this first. Would you look at what I found? Look at that. Oh, fuck. These things are in there. Look at that. They don't belong in there. Underneath all the terminals, they got these too. Like, these were under the terminals. Well, no wonder why this thing got so much voltage drop. Oh boy. Well, boys, I think fixed is fixed. There's our meter. Won't do it now. Fixed is fixed. You know, an interesting thing is on the oscilloscope, when it would go open circuit, we get that huge spike. You know, a spike maybe to like 18 volts. That's all the relays and stuff opening up. And when they open up like that, they make an AC current. And, you know, when they open up, they give you that spike. Kind of like a fuel injector. What that also means is, like, there's almost an open circuit in the connection, because the batteries would normally absorb that spike. So the stupid foam things that somebody been like this for quite a while. It didn't really start and didn't start. These dumb foam things, like, they were under the terminals, and then one of these terminals had one, and then one over here. We did have a casualty. We did lose one, but it's good we had one on the other side, so we were golden.